Okay, guys. So good morning, all. So we will continue with this handling multiple windows. We completed till here, and this part is left out. Okay. So till yesterday we completed this part, all the varieties and all. Now the next thing is that I have to complete this part. That is, so this one I already covered. When you have multiple windows and if you use close command, it will only close currently focused window. Okay, whatever the window that currently has a focus, that window only will get closed. The remaining all windows will be still open. Anyhow, I'll demonstrate that again. For that, I'll open Eclipse IDE. This one I covered already. Reusable method for handling windows, and this part I need to cover, and these two items I need to cover. And there's one more thing, like no such window exception. You try to switch to a window which doesn't exist, you'll get no such window exception. I'll show you that also. So anyhow, let's move on. The first thing is that I need to show you like what will happen if when there are multiple windows and you use close command. What will happen, guys? Tell me in the chat box. You tell me what will happen when you have multiple windows and yeah, active windows. Active window only, the window on which the Selenium focus is there, that window only will get closed. Remaining windows will not get closed when you use close command. So let's say I'll go to this application. I'll just go to this application and click on this link. A new tab window is getting opened up. Similarly, I'll click on open a pop-up window link. Okay, it's kind of slow. Just give it some time. Yeah, the window also got opened. Now at this moment, how many windows are there, guys? This window is there. This window is there. Original Umayo window is there. Selenium 143 window is there. On the top of that, we have this pop-up window also opened up. Now, if I say driver.close, which window will get closed? Umayo or Selenium 143 or this new window? Just type your answer in the chat box. Which window will be closed? Let's see how many people can answer it correctly. Now there are three windows, and when I say driver.close, which window will be closed? After I open all these three windows.
Current window.
What is that current window? You have to tell me whether it is Omayo, Selenium 143 or new window. What is that pop-up window? Mahesh is saying Omayo. Anil is saying Selenium, and few other people are saying pop-up. Let's see how many people. Nagaveni saying Umayo, Rajkumar saying new window. Just keep typing your answers, guys. Soundarya Umayo, Selenium 143 Abhi, and Rohit Umayo, Krill, Pop-Up, Ravi, Selenium. Yeah, any other people want to try it out? Just try, guys. Just try whatever you feel. So the answer is, shall I reveal the answer? Pian is also saying Umayo. The answer is, you see, no matter how many windows are opened up here, Selenium focus is on their which window? Until I switch to this tab window or this pop-up window, Selenium focus will be there on the Umayo window only, right? I have to say driver dot switch to and then switch to the other windows. But till I have not done that yet. So Selenium is still there, no matter how many windows or pop-up windows or tab windows open, but Selenium is still there on this Umayo window only, which is the first window. So when I say driver.close, it will close the Umayo window. Remaining windows will not be closed. What is the answer then? So what is the answer then, guys? Umayo is the answer. Everyone type in the chat box. Umayo. Umayo is the answer. because Selenium focus is there on the currently focused window. It's not on current window, it's currently focused, where Selenium is currently focusing, right? Until you manually move the focus of the Selenium from that Omayo window to Selenium 143 and new window, Selenium focus will be there on the Omayo window only. So Omayo window will get closed. So what is the answer? Omayo is the answer. Okay, I'll show you practically. I'll prove you this practically. Okay, I'll just go to this Eclipse ID and here I'll write the automation script for that. Here I'll create a new class, right click new class, handling Windows 6, I'll say. Okay, some random name with main method I'm creating. Okay, in this main method, I'm going to write like this: Chrome driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Over the mouse on this Chrome driver and import it from Selenium library. Then say driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Then driver dot get double quotes, give the URL, that is omai.blogspot.com. Once I open this application URL, what I want to do is I want to, click on this link. It will open a new tab. So new window in the form of new tab will be opened. I would like to click on this link. I inspected the Selenium 143. It has an ID. I'll copy this ID. And here I'll write down driver dot find element by dot ID of that link. I'll say Selenium 143 link is equal to, I'll create a web element for this, create local variable, web element got created. Selenium 143 dot click command if I use, this will click on that Selenium 143 link. It will click on the Selenium 143 link and it will open up here. The next thing is, I would like to click on open a pop-up window link. This has link text, copy this link text and write down driver dot find element by dot link text. Provide the link text locator. And this is a new pop-up window link. New pop-up window link. I'll create a web element for this. Now click on this pop-up window link. Dot click. So what will happen? It will click on the pop-up window link and pop-up window will open in this window. And before that, I clicked on Selenium 143. It will open it here. Now at this moment, there are 3 windows. And now at this point of time, after line 19, how many windows will be there, guys? How many windows will be opened? This is the original window, Umayo window. After that, I clicked on Selenium 143. Selenium 143 link got clicked in the, opened in the new tab. And then I clicked on pop-up window link and pop-up window has been opened in new window. Total how many windows? Total 3 windows, right? So everyone is saying 3 windows. That's correct. Now at this moment, if I say driver dot close, which window will be closed? Just for demonstration purpose, I am giving the red dot sleep also so that you can see all the 3 windows are there. And so after some 4 seconds, what will happen? It will close which window? Omaya window will be closed because Selenium focus will be there on this original window or Omaya window. Okay, even though the new windows are opened during the script, the Selenium will not switch the focus directly here. We have to manually switch. Since we are not switching, the current focused window is nothing but Omaya window and that Omaya window will get closed. Okay, current Omayo window will get closed. Run the code and observe that. First Omayo window, Selenium 143 and new window. Out of the three windows, after 4 seconds, you just observe, you see, Omayo window got closed. These two windows are still there. So driver.close will only close the Selenium currently focused window, that is Omayo window, until we switch the focus of the Selenium from this window to another window. Okay. If you switch to another window, then that other window will get closed. Okay. But Selenium focuses on the this original window, so that original window is getting closed because of that reason. Close will only close the Selenium focused window. Tomorrow, if you switch the focus of the Selenium from this window to this window and you say driver.close, Selenium 143 window will get closed. Okay. Wherever the Selenium focus is there, that particular window will get closed. Fine. So what if I do something like this? Driver dot get window handle I'll say, and here I'll capture the Omayo window ID. Only one window is there at this point. Also, Omayo window ID will be captured here in the string format. Now, after clicking on this, there will be two windows. Okay. After clicking on this, there will be two windows. I'll write the logic like this. What is that logic? For here, I'll capture multiple windows. Driver dot get window handles. I'll say it will here there are two windows, so two windows will be so window IDs. I'll say window IDs is equal to, so the return type of the get window handles is set of string. Now here I'll write the code for each loop for each and every window ID string. All these things I covered yesterday, right? So for string window ID colon window IDs. For each and every window ID, will iterate. There are two window IDs. In that, I'll write the logic. If this window ID dot equals this Omayo window ID, I'll write the not operator here. If it is not equal to, then it is nothing but the other window ID. I would like to switch to that other window ID. Driver dot switch to dot window of this window ID. That means the focus will be there on which window ID? Which window, guys? If I write this logic right like this, focus will be there on Omayo window ID or Selenium 143 window ID. Tell me, guys. Selenium 143 window ID. Now the script will be going on. Okay, we'll write a break statement here as usual. Once we switch to that Selenium 143, you just come out of this for loop and again it will open the new pop-up window link. There will be three windows here. But after thread.sleep of 4 seconds, driver.close will close which window now? Whatever the currently focused window, that is Selenium 143 window. Okay. Earlier it was Omayo window. Now it will not close the Omayo window, it will close the Selenium 143 window, guys. Okay. Just see, observe, guys. Which window will be opened, closed? Just see that pop-up window will be opened and there is some exception here. No such element exception. Okay, I got it. Okay, I got it. Okay, got it. Okay. You see, once you switch to the Selenium 143, can you click on no pop-up window link? No, right? It's not possible, right? So let's see. Let's do one thing. I'll cut this from here and paste it here. Let's see randomly which window will be closed. Pop-up window or Selenium 143, we don't know. Some window will be closed. Let's find out which window is currently focused, okay? It can be pop-up window, it can be Selenium 143, we don't know. But we are trying to get the window handles when there are three windows open. And if that window ID is not equal to Omayo, it may be Selenium 143 window or it may be pop-up window, but we don't know. We will switch to one of that window. Either it will be pop-up window or Selenium 143. And when you say driver.close, any of the windows, either Selenium 143 or pop-up windows, we don't know, will be closed. Let's run this. We'll change the script a bit, okay, like this. One of the window will be closed, but it will not be Omayo window. It may be either a pop-up window or Selenium 143 window. We don't know. Let's see. According to what, we'll see what will happen. Yeah, pop-up window is getting closed. Okay, pop-up window is getting closed. So any of the windows, the current focus window is pop-up window. So pop-up window got closed. Okay. Fine. Now there was an error. So Eclipse ID got closed somehow. We don't know why. Let that be. Fine. Now next thing, everyone clear with the close command? Close command and handling windows is clear for everyone. Just type C in the chat box if it's clear. Simple thing. Currently Selenium focused window will be closed. Okay. You switch to another window, that window will be currently in focus. That's window will get closed. If you don't switch, the default original window, that is Omaya window, is getting closed in the example. Okay. Now, if you use quit command, does it matter? Does it matter, guys, which window the Selenium has focused? Does it matter? It will close all the windows. If there are 3 windows open, it will close all the 3 windows. It will close all the 3 windows. No matter what, whether Selenium is focusing or not, doesn't matter, guys. It will close all the 3 windows. It will close all the 3 windows. Let me show you that. Eclipse ID is launching. So only 3 people are new to this session today. Who is new to the session today? Just type me in the chat box while the Eclipse ID open. Again, you type me in the chat box. Shashank, Yashwant, Kalyani, Ravi. There are 4 people. Punit, 5. Total 5 people. Any other new to this batch? Okay, I'll talk to you guys at the end of the session. Okay, just be there. You may or may not understand this session, but be there till the end of the session. I'm going to guide you and talk to you individually and explain you what to do and all at this state. Okay, fine. Fine, okay. The Eclipse ID has been launched. So we'll move on. So next thing is this is close, using close, what we can do and all. Now I'll create one more class for quit command demonstration. All this code I will be sharing at the end of the session. Okay. For the new guys, I'm saying all these things will be shared to you. Don't worry about the code and all. Every code will be shared for you. Handling Windows 7, I'll say some random number with main method. And here I'll copy paste all the code. The code will be same. Opening the Chrome browser, maximizing the browser, opening this application user URL. Then Selenium 143 link, new pop-up window link. Okay, all these things I'll just copy paste. This code will be same. So that I have to open multiple windows, right? So this code will open the multiple windows. Omayo window. This link is not required here in this example anyhow. Selenium 143 and new pop-up window link. No matter where the Selenium focus is there, whether you have switched to a window or doesn't switch to the window, doesn't matter. If you say driver.pit, what will happen? All the windows will get closed. All the multiple open windows will get closed. None of the windows will stay open after this driver.quit. Close command will only close the currently Selenium focused window, whereas quit command will close all the windows. Run this code, right click run as Java application and observe that all the windows will get closed. You see, it was very fast. 3 windows got open and 3 windows got closed. If you want to see in a demonstration way, I just add for demo purpose. In real time, you should not add, but I'm adding here so that you can see how all the 3 windows are getting closed. Okay. So ignore this exception, take it exception and run this code, right click run as Java application. First window got opened. Now other two windows will open one by one. App window and pop-up window. Now driver.quit after 4 seconds will close all the windows at a time. Okay, like that, guys. Driver.quit will close all the windows, whether they are in focused or not focused mode, doesn't matter. So everyone clear with the close and quit? Type C in the chat box if you guys are clear with close and quit. Great. Now we'll move on to this part. Okay, we'll move on to this part. That is Selenium 4. Apart from switching to new window or tab, we can also create a new window or new tab. Okay, it's not just about when for example, what I want to automate is I would like to open this window and open this omaya.application URL. Now I want to open a new tab. I don't want to click on this link and get this link opened in new tab. Rather, I want to open a new tab, or I want to open a new window like this. Is there any command in Selenium for opening a new tab or new window? Is there a command in Selenium? Yes. There is a command known as new window command, which got introduced in the latest versions of Selenium. Everyone type in the chat box the name of the command. Name of the command you type in the chat box, which will open either a new window or a new tab. Yes, new window or new window. New window is a command name using which either we can open a new window or new tab. Okay. I'm going to demonstrate that. So what is advantage of doing that? For example, when you open a new, for example, you have opened application URL using Selenium, and when you open a new tab, here I can open another application. Again, if I say new tab, I can open another application. Again, if I say new tab, I can open another application. At a time, how many applications I'm able to open and operate in a single script? More than one or not? Guys, more than one application can I open and automate or not? Right? Earlier, without that new window command, only one application I have to open. And if I have to open another application, I have to click on a link or pop-up window links and then open them in new tabs or new windows. But now I can myself open new tabs and simultaneously work on multiple applications, right? I can simultaneously work on multiple applications, right? So this is the advantage, guys. Either in new tab, you can open the windows, or in the new windows, you can open the applications. Okay. New tab or new windows, we can open the applications. The command is new window command. I'm going to demonstrate that. Handling windows. I'll just give some random number, say 8. We don't use this command much, guys. Okay. We don't generally need this command, but since the Selenium, the latest versions, we have this command. It's better to learn that for knowledge purpose, but I have never seen someone using this new window command in real time for their purpose. Chrome driver is equal to new Chrome driver. And I'll import this Chrome driver from Selenium library and then say driver.manage .window.maximize. Then driver.get We'll open the application URL here. And after that, after opening this application URL, what I want to do is driver.switch to new window command. Using switch to command only, I have to use new window command. And here I have to specify whether I want to open that new window in a tab or a separate window. Okay. Window. What is the command, guys? Here the notes you can see. Window type you have to use. Window type dot either tab or window you have to choose. Okay. Window type is a predefined class maybe, and it has some predefined variables like tab or window. Let's say tab means it will open a new tab. And now if I say driver.get, I'll use driver.get here. So anyhow, we are already switching to that new window. New window tab that we are opening, right? Already we said switch to already. So we can switch to it. Let's say this one is, I would like to open a new tab and open which application, the selenium143.blogspot.com I want to open. Okay, done. That is also done. Then I want to do what next? Driver dot switch to dot new window of window type dot window, I'll say. This time it will open a new window, separate new window, not a new tab. Driver dot get, I'll say. This time I would like to open selenium byarun.blogspot.com. Done. Now run the script and observe that 3 windows will be opened. We are error sec. I have to put a semicolon here. Now run the code. I will run the script. First window is opened normally, and new tab window will be opened next. And where Selenium 143 link should be opened, then new window, separate new window in that Selenium. There are 3 windows opened up. Like this also, we can work on multiple windows. With the help of this feature, what is the advantage? We can work on multiple windows at a time or not. Multiple applications we can work in Selenium with the help of this new window command. You can automate multiple applications and switch between the windows and do whatever you want. Okay. So clear, guys? Clear with this new window command? Everyone clear? Let's not dig deep into this new window. Let's not dig deep into this new window. Why? Because people don't use this in real time. Selenium focus will be there on this window because we are switching, right? While creating, we are switching to that new window. So Selenium focus will be there on this window. Okay. Clear, PN? Here we are switching and opening. So it will be definitely there on the new window. You don't have to switch again. Okay. But let's not dig deep into the topic. The big reason because is only for knowledge purpose. We don't use in real time. Okay. Those commands no one is using in real time, but Selenium gave it, so we are using it. Okay. So now final thing for this session or this topic handling multiple windows is to try to switch to a window which doesn't exist. Which exception you will get? You see, there is no such kind of window, but you are trying to switch to that window. Then which exception you will get? Everyone type in the chat box the kind of exception you are going to get. No such window exception. Everyone type in the chat box. If there is no window and you are trying to switch to that window, which exception you will get in Selenium automation? No such window exception you are going to get. Yes, no such window exception you are going to get if you try to switch to a window which doesn't exist. No such window exception. Okay, fine. Here I'll close. And here I'll simply say write it new class handling Windows, I'll say 9, some random name. Here I'll write some basic code like Chrome driver. Driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Hold the mouse on this Chrome driver and import this Chrome driver from Selenium library and then say driver dot manage dot window dot maximize, then driver dot get. I'll open the application URL. Open this application URL here. And after that, what I will do, I'll try to switch to a window, driver dot switch to dot window command I'll use. I'll give some A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, 1, 2, 3. Is there any window with this particular ID? Is there any such window with this particular ID, guys? No, right? I randomly gave some window ID which doesn't exist. So if I try to switch to a window which doesn't exist, which exception you will get? Which exception you will get when you try to switch to a window which doesn't exist? A Windows ID which doesn't exist, I have provided here, which no such window exception you will get. So now Selenium has tried to switch to another window and we got which exception? No such window exception. Why? Because there is no such window with the given ID. Okay. Hence we got no such window exception. So in real time also, when you try to switch to a window and because of some XYZ reasons, if you have given a wrong window ID, what will happen? It will switch, it will not switch, it will not be able to switch, and instead it will give a runtime error or exception known as no such window exception. Okay. So it will give you no such window exception. Okay, done. So with this, guys, we are done with this topic. Any doubts, any questions on handling windows, handling multiple windows, you can ask me now. Guys, anyone have any doubts or questions in this topic? Handling multiple windows is clear for everyone. If it is clear, just type C. Otherwise, you can ask me the questions. I'll move on to the next topic. Once everyone is clear with this topic, I can move on to the next topic. Yeah. So I covered this topic in very depth and detail. Okay. So it took us a lot of sessions actually. So now XPath and CSS I'm going to cover, guys. Okay. The next topic will be, as we discussed yesterday, and a lot of people were asking me to explain XPath and CSS from scratch. So that's the reason I'm taking up this one. Yeah, good to know, guys. Next topic will be XPath expressions and CSS selectors. So you will become an expert by the end of this session, guys. Okay, by the end of this session, you will become an expert in XPath expressions and CSS selectors. Okay. So that way I'm going to cover these XPath expressions and CS selectors, because this is one of the important things. Most of the people, what they do is they learn a lot of Java, a lot of Selenium, but they will not learn XPath expressions and CSS selectors. Okay, because of which they will not be able to write the scripts in a proper manner. So hoping that this session will help you out. I'm getting started now. So shall I start? Just type start in the chat box so that I'll start with this session. Everyone type start in the chat box so that I'll start with this session now. Great. Good energy, guys. Keep participating in the chat box. It will, make you active during this trainings and all. Okay. So just type start in the chat box. So tomorrow, guys, today is Friday, right? Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we have weekend live sessions. We are going to take up some challenges and automate them. Okay. We're going to take up some challenges and automate them for now. Monday to Friday will be training sessions on Selenium Java. Saturday, Sunday, morning hour 7 a.m., the same time that you have joined today, 7 a.m. IST. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, that is Saturday and Sunday, we are going to have, we are going to automate live applications, or, some challenging application. We may go to some applications like Redbus, Make My Trip, or any other stuff. Okay. And we'll try to pick up some scenarios and automate them. Okay. That we do on Saturday, Sunday. And on Saturday, Sunday afternoon, from tomorrow onwards, from tomorrow, the new module is getting started. That is software testing module for manual part at 11 a.m. IST. Anyone interested can join that. Okay. At 11 a.m. IST tomorrow, and day after tomorrow also 11 a.m. IST. That means tomorrow we have two sessions. Day after tomorrow also we have two sessions. Morning session 7 a.m. Live session automation. Okay. And afternoon session tomorrow, that is 11 a.m. IST, we have manual testing module getting started tomorrow. Okay, fine. Anyone new to the batch, just follow these timelines, guys. Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. We have this Selenium Java training. Saturday, Sunday mornings, 7 a.m. IST. We have this live automation thing, or challenges automation of different applications, and end-to-end automation of a project. Okay. And in the afternoon hours, that is starting, in this 11 a.m. IST onwards, 11 a.m. IST to whatever 1 or 2 hours, maybe I'm just planning. We'll have manual testing sessions. Okay. We'll see how it goes tomorrow onwards. Okay. So yesterday someone was asking about Git, right? Who is that one who asked me about Git in real time? Some questions you had. Is that person in today's meeting? Someone had Git related questions. what to do and all. How many branches you asked me yesterday? Is that person in this meeting? Okay, fine. And also, guys, I'm going to, I don't know whether that person is there or not, but that's okay. So I'm going to plan one webinar, guys. I want you guys to attend it, okay? So apart from attending the sessions, you also try to attend the webinars. There also you'll gain some knowledge. So the webinar, we conducted a voting here yesterday, and these were the 3 topics for the next webinar. UI testing checklist detailed version was one topic, interview preparation, software testing, and secure testing career option, third one. Out of these 3, right, people have chosen as given more words for interview preparation. So the next webinar that I'm going to conduct in the next week, that is from 4th to 8th, maybe on Tuesday, mostly on 5th, I'll conduct the webinar on how to prepare for software testing interviews, because most of the people voted for this one. I conducted this thing on my 2 of my Telegram groups, and everywhere I got the same, okay, same thing. So I'll go with that, okay. That will be the topic for next webinar. And now, anyhow, without any delay, let's start the new topic. And there is one more thing, guys. Yesterday, one guy has asked from the group like about Git commands and all in real time, how we use and all. So I am bringing one person to this. Maybe he is not available this weekend. Maybe next weekend we'll plan, and we'll have a kind of webinar with him. Okay. So that guy is an expert in this Git commands in real time, how to use and all CI/CD related stuff. Anything you guys want to ask, be ready, guys. Okay. Be ready for asking the questions. He's an expert in that area. So extract whatever possible from that guy. Okay. So that I'm planning. Uh, which webinar you are asking me? Interview preparation or Git webinar? Nagweni? Interview preparation or Git webinar? Which webinar you are asking me?
Interview preparation webinar, sir.
Preparation webinar on Tuesday it will be there, and Git related webinar. I don't know whether it will be on this weekend or next weekend. I don't know, but I'll try. Okay, so
Okay.
it is the schedule and time, right? Then we'll have that. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. That's the plan. So attend all the webinars also, guys. Apart from attending the sessions and all, attend the webinars also. Okay, that will give you a lot of knowledge. Now, without any delay, let's start. At least let's go with the introduction of XPath expressions and CS selectors. So, guys, let me know now, like how many locator types are there. I covered this in one of the previous sessions, right? What are the different locators we have in, which will help Selenium in finding elements on the web pages? What are the different type of locators?
ID, name, class,
Locator, name locator,
link text,
class name locator,
link text,
link text locator.
partial link text,
Okay, that is okay, fine. Partial link text in Selenium, that's fine. Okay, link text locator,
CSS selector,
CSS selector locator, then
and
XPath.
XPath.
XPath expressions. So, and there is one more like DOM locator, but you don't have to learn it. This much is enough, right?
Tag name.
ID, name, class name, link text, XPath, CSS. Yeah. What else? What else?
Tag name.
Tag name,
These are all Selenium commands. Okay. Tag name, partial link text are Selenium commands. Okay. They are not locators. Okay.
Okay.
So for each and every this locator type, there is a command. Like for ID locator, we have ID command. For name locator, we have by dot name. For class name locator, by dot class name method is there. For link text, we have by dot link text method in Selenium WebDriver library. But CSS selector, by dot CSS selector is there. For XPath, by dot XPath is there. Okay. But other than that, any other methods we have in Selenium WebDriver means tag name method is another method. Other method is what? Partial link text, right? By dot tag name, by dot partial link. Those are Selenium WebDriver methods. But coming to the locators, these are the different locators we have. Apart from that, if you want to go with another locator, we have DOM locator also, but we don't generally use in real time. Okay. So these are the different locators we have. Out of all these locators, which locator is powerful, guys? Powerful of all the locators, which can locate any type of element, no matter what.
XPath.
XPath.
XPath is the right answer. Okay. Though the priority wise, ID will be given the first priority. If we are not able to locate with ID, we go with name. If name we are not able to locate, we'll go with the class name locator. If class name we are not able to locate, we'll go with the link text. If link text is also not possible, then we'll go with the either XPath or CSS. These days people or me, especially I'm using XPath expression because so IE browser got deprecated, because of which XPath has become equivalent competent with CSS selector. So XPath is the I generally choose. Okay, you can use any of these locators as a fourth or fifth priority, up to you out of this XPath. But XPath is powerful, so I generally go with XPath. Okay, and speed difference is also minimal, very small, minor speed difference is there. So XPath is the best one. Okay. Okay, guys. So XPath is the locator we have to. XPath is a kind of powerful locator, we can say. So now, since we are starting with XPath, okay.
Arun,
Yes.
speed-wise, which locator is faster?
Compared to XPath and CSS, you mean?
No. Amongst all the locator.
Among all the locators, ID will be faster.
Okay, and they asked me the order. That means if there is not ID, then which locator you have used?
Name locator.
Okay, so this is a correct order, na?
Yeah, this
ID
is a
name.
correct order. If not ID, you have to go with the name. If not name,
Okay.
then if not ID and name, you cannot locate the element. Then we have to go with the class name. If ID
Okay.
name class name you are not able to locate, you have to go with the link text locator. Okay, if this all these four are not possible, the remaining possibilities are what? XPath or CSS. I personally prefer XPath. Okay, some
Okay.
people prefer CSS, some people prefer XPath, and they may ask you like out of these two, which one you prefer in priority. Then
CSS.
people may say CSS, and some people
Mhm.
may say XPath, and but you have to give a proper answer why XPath or CSS. Okay, so for example, earlier what used to happen is in the olden days we used to have which browser? IE browser from Microsoft. Is anyone using IE browser nowadays? No,
No, it is
because
deprecated.
Microsoft company has announced that we are not going to give any updates for the IE browser anymore. Okay, and they're encouraging us to you go for the latest browser of them, which is Edge browser. Instead of IE browser, they are encouraging everyone to move to Edge browser. Okay, that is the current situation. So earlier, what used to happen is some XPath expressions used to fail in IE browser. Okay, the engine of the IE browser, right, used to not properly support XPath expressions earlier. 99 XPath expressions used to work in IE browser, but maybe one out of that 100 XPath expressions used to fail. Even though you give correct XPath expression also, because of IE browser engine not supporting XPath expression, this used to the case. So people used to go with CSS selector as the next priority after the link text earlier. Then they used to go for XPath because IE browser engine was not properly supporting XPath. Some XPath expressions used to fail in the IE browser. But current scenario or current situation, if you take, Microsoft itself has announced that they are not going to give updates for the IE browser anymore. And they are asking the people to move to their latest browser known as Edge browser instead. And on the Edge browser doesn't have any problem with XPath expressions. All the XPath expressions are properly working on Edge browser. And IE browser is discouraged from using from the Microsoft guys. So in that situation, if I ask you which one you will prefer now in the latest situation, like CSS or XPath, which one you will say priority?
Now I can say XPath.
XPath because of the situation. But why? Because why they will ask you? Why is not CSS? Because XPath is powerful than CSS. Some elements that CSS cannot locate, XPath can locate. Okay. That's why, since it is powerful than CSS and nowadays situation, it doesn't matter whether you are using XPath or CSS. Okay, because IE browser is not there in the picture. I generally say XPath, but they may specifically ask you one more thing. But CSS is faster than XPath, they will say. Okay, yes, it's really CSS selector locator is faster in identifying the locators when compared to XPath. But the thing here is, the reality here is that speed difference is very minor. Very minor. It doesn't matter. No matter 1,000 XPath expressions, 1,000 CSS selectors you see, you will not be able to see the difference. So if that speed difference between XPath, you see CSS is a bit faster than XPath. It's not like complete faster than XPath, a bit faster, but XPath is powerful. So when I compare the powerfulness with the speed, I prefer powerfulness. So I personally feel XPath should be given the next priority over CSS. Okay, but it's up to you. It's up to what company will follow. But when people ask you why XPath is more, you are giving more priority over CSS, you have to explain all this story. Okay, then they'll understand. Clear now? Clear, guys? Everyone clear? The priority of locators, ID, name, class name, link test. I personally give fifth preference as XPath, then CSS. Even though CSS is a bit faster than XPath, but speed difference is not much, but XPath is very powerful. So I go with the XPath as the next priority after link test. But in your company, if they're still following a kind of process where they are giving high priority for CSS than XPath, then go with that also, not a problem. Okay, there's no problem in that. So you can use any of them as a priority, but XPath can locate all the elements. So people are there. Some companies, people directly go with XPath. Some companies, just to get that edge of bit fasterness, they may give CSS as a high priority thing. Okay. So, but my case, I generally go with XPath expressions most of the time. Okay, great. So now you got the priority of the locators and all. The next part is out of all the locators, XPath expressions are the powerful locators and can be able to locate any type of the UI element. Using XPath expressions, we can locate any type of the UI elements. So powerful they are. It's like the soldiers there at the border, right? So we are the normal people who are staying inside the country, and on the borders of our country, everywhere you will see the soldiers who will be protecting, right? Similarly, like soldiers protecting our country from the enemies and all, XPath expressions are like that, where they are capable enough in locating almost all elements, okay, on the web applications. Okay, they are the final saviors because they are powerful and final saviors. Okay, final saviors in locating the elements and helping Selenium in finding that particular elements on the web pages. Okay, if no other locator is helping out, who is the final savior? XPath is the final savior. Most of the cases, 99.99%, the web elements can be located with help of XPath. Okay, that powerful they are. That's why we call them XPath as the most powerful elements. Okay, out of all the locators, XPath are the powerful. And out of all the locators, which one is faster? They will ask you. ID is the faster. Why? Why ID is the faster when compared to XPath or CSS or name? ID, name, class name, all the three are faster at same level. Why? Because ID is unique. Not all elements will have the same ID, right? Developers, if they are writing the HTML code for that web page and elements on the web pages ethically, they will give different IDs. So if there is ID, it's very easy to find out, right? For example, I'll give you some real world situation why ID is faster. Let's say there is a company. In that company, there are a lot of employees. Okay, a lot of employees are there. And okay, some external person came, like some outside person came to the company, and at the reception, this person is asking, the reception is that I would like to meet so XYZ person. Let's say the person having the name Arun, I want to meet. Now, what this receptionist will do? Receptionist will open the computer. In the computer, the receptionist will type the name details of that particular person who this guest has come and asking for. And receptionist will easily identify the ID, and with the help of the ID, receptionist will ask the ID of this person and search in the computer with the software and all, and will get the exact desk location of that particular person. Receptionist will dial in to that particular person having that particular ID, and that particular person will come and meet this person. Let's say it's very easy to find for the receptionist, right? With the help of the ID. ID will be unique. Every employee will have a separate ID. So with the help of the ID, it will be very faster to find that particular person in the company. If this company has 1,000 people, 2,000 people, 3,000 people, okay, because of the uniqueness, it's very easy to find. But if they give name, if this particular person doesn't know the ID, but they have given name, with the same name Arun, there may be 5 or 6 people, we don't know. Right? What happens? The receptionist will type the name here. Okay, and when the receptionist has typed the name, more than let's say 3 to 4 people have come in the results. Now receptionist will have to ask again this guest, like, okay, there are 5 people here. Can you see these profiles and let me know which employee actually? Then again, some extra time is being taken here, and finally, when the guest confirms that, okay, so again, receptionist will dial that person, and that particular person will come and talk to this person. Class name. That's another same story. Okay, there may be multiple with different class names. Link text also same thing. So which one is faster now? Tell me, guys. With the help of ID, it is faster or any other type. Even XPath also. Searching will happen. One by one will be searched. One by one element will be searched with XPath, and if it is not matching, it will go to the next one. CSS and XPath will work in this way. They will go and filter each and everything based on the given XPath expression and finally find the thing. Which one is faster, guys? Out of all the locator types, which one is faster? ID is faster. That's the reason, because of the uniqueness. Okay. That's why we'll give ID as a first priority. Even though XPath is powerful, why we go with ID? Because ID is faster. Then what is the next priority? Next name is faster. This next class name is faster. Next link text is faster. Then XPath and CSS. CSS is faster, a bit faster only, but XPath is powerful. So it's up to you which one you want to choose. Okay. Yeah, Abdul is asking me in general, what is the difference between their attribute names? In HTML, name is one attribute and class name is an attribute. Class name attribute value will define the styling of the web elements. Whereas name is given to group the elements in HTML. Okay. Name attribute in HTML is given for grouping the elements like checkbox fields, radio buttons grouping. For that, name will be there. But class name is generally used for styling. If you want to apply the same style, let's say there is a button on different pages of the application, submit button, login button, sign up button, register button, whatever the button, all the buttons on the web application should have the same color, font, height, width, and all those stuff. So we'll specify the same class name for all the buttons on the pages so that they will look same across the website. Clear? When we go for class name, if you want to get the same styling, when you go with the name, when you want to group a set of elements like checkbox, fields, radio buttons together under the same category, we'll give the same name. Okay. Okay, Abdul, it's clear? Fine. Any other questions? Yeah. CSS, yes, that's why it's not powerful than XPath. CSS, we can traverse from top to bottom. Okay. So the difference between CSS and XPath is in CSS, we can traverse from top to bottom. That I'll clear you by the end of the sessions. And coming to the XPath, we can traverse downwards in the HTML code and upwards from the HTML code. Okay, these two directions is possible in XPath, but only down direction is possible in CSS. Is that clear? Chaitu, is that clear? Traverse from top to down is possible in CSS, but bottom to up is not possible in CSS. Whereas in XPath, both up and down are possible. Okay, traversing up and down are possible. And that's what this particular feature makes the XPath kind of powerful than all the other locators. That will be clear for you in the coming topics and all. Okay. So all the theory is going on today. Now, any doubts, any questions for today? That's all for today, guys. Tomorrow, freshly, we'll start this type of XPath expressions and all the examples will start from tomorrow. Okay. For today, this much is enough. Any doubts, any questions, you guys can ask me now. And before I talk to the new joiners for today, existing students, if you have any doubts or questions, you can ask me out. So guys, I have covered one topic earlier regarding locators. So if anyone have not watched that, have not attended that session, this is the best time for you guys to watch that session, guys. Locators topic, okay? Everyone watch this. If anyone have missed this particular topic and they have joined it between, right? So in this batch 1 QFX group, right? You just go to the top. Okay. Just go to the top, guys. Complete top. And here, start from day 1. Day 1 you watch. If you have not watched my day 1, start the day 1. And then start day 2. Then day 3, day 4, then day 5, and day 6, learn and practice HTML, day 6. Day 7 also HTML. Day 9, let's see. Okay, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, everything will be there. Then day 10. What is day 10 Xpath CSS? Didn't I cover? I think somewhere I covered locators thing, guys. Okay, in this things. I covered locators somewhere. Maybe in HTML or something I covered, I guess. Okay, start from day 1, guys. Okay, start from day 1. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Keep going on. Maybe somewhere I covered, guys. Okay. HTML, CSS. I have to make it good, actually. I'll work on something, guys, for you in the coming days to make it make going through this thing easy. And there is other way of, you already have the Google Drive links, right? Of all the sessions that I have taken so far, Google Drive links. Everyone has a Google Drive link, right? Yesterday also I have shared, I guess, yesterday or day before yesterday, I don't know. Yeah, total Google Drive link is there here, guys. February 28, you have the Google Drive link. You can just open that. You'll get a folder. Sorry, here I don't have the access to that. I'll open that in another browser.
So day 10, day 11, it's locators, sir. I have
Date.
seen in the folders, day 11 and day 12.
Okay.
Sorry, day 10 and day 11.
Okay. So maybe you can quickly go through that. That will be good. Okay. And if you have not attended day 1 onwards, even go with the day 1 onwards now. Okay. Not a problem. First, cover that day. Yeah, day 10 locators. This topic you start. HTML, if you want, you can. Okay, or day 10 you can start directly. This one will give you some knowledge. Okay, day 10 will give you some knowledge. Okay, guys, just go through that recording. And a few coming next week sessions, right, from Monday to Friday. Mostly I'm just thinking that from Monday to Friday everything will be on locators only. It will take a lot of time for us. Starting from Monday to Friday will be on locators only. So the new guys who are new to this batch, right, meanwhile you can cover a lot of stuff by next Monday, that is 11th, right? I'll give you a plan where you can watch all the videos and get ready and sync with the batch. Okay, meanwhile the people who have some knowledge of Java and they just want to go with that. Meanwhile, you can go with day 1 to day 10. You can finish up. Okay. Anyone have not attended from day 1 to day 10, you cover it right now. Okay. So these things will be repeated for you in the next module when the module will get repeated. But instead of wasting time and to continue with the current batch and to sync with the batch, I'm dividing this thing into 2 types. That is day 1 to day 10 is one part. And for people who want to start directly with Java, day 11 onwards, they have to start with current today's session. Okay. The people who want to go with the basics, they have not gone through day 1 to day 10. And this day 1 to day 10 will help you in understanding locators better, that I'm starting from tomorrow. Okay, that's the plan. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? Or any confusions, any doubts here? Okay, great. Now I would like to talk to the new guys. Okay, if everyone is clear, I would like to talk to the new guys. So just type me in the chat box again, guys. The people who are new to this, just type me again. I would like to talk one by one to you. Yeah, welcome, Nigora. Yeah, Ravi is the one. Jashwant, Kalyani, Punita. Any other people? Shashank. Right. I'll start with Ravi. Ravi, you there? Ravi, you there? Hello? You can talk to me, Ravi. No problem. Directly, you can talk to me. You can unmute yourself and talk. No problem. Can you hear me, Ravi? I'm not able to hear you, Ravi. Okay. So Ravi is unable to speak, maybe. I'll come back to you, Ravi. Just give me a second. I'll go with Jashwant for now. Jashwant, you there?
Yeah, hi, sir.
Yeah, hi, Jashwant. So you joined today. Today is your first session, right? So what was your expectation in joining? What is the reason why you have joined my trainings? Like, can I know what you are
Yeah,
expecting?
I have interested to learn Java with Selenium. I didn't have any knowledge on that. Because of
Okay.
that, I'm very much
Mhm.
interested to join your sessions. I was
Okay.
watching your videos on YouTube. I was a little bit interactive. That's why I joined it.
Okay, fine, fine. So what about manual testing? You already have the knowledge of manual testing?
Yeah, basic knowledge I have. I watched a few videos. And
Okay, okay. So completely
I will
new.
parallelly attend both courses.
Okay, okay. So you're completely new to software testing. Can I take it like that?
Yes, yes, correct.
Okay, okay, fine. So any basic knowledge of Java you have?
Yeah, a little bit, not completely.
What about Selenium? Some basic knowledge you have?
No,
No, completely new to Selenium, right?
yes.
So Jashwant, here is a plan for you. So whatever the topics I'm going to take from tomorrow onwards, that is from 4th to 8th, right? Okay, that doesn't require anything. So what you have to do is you just complete day 1 to day 10 first. Okay. These recordings are there. So hope you got this folder location yesterday, right? When I have today
Yes.
or something, I gave you the access. Some mail will come to you with the link of this location and all. Okay. If it is not, it will be definitely there in your spam box, or you're part of this group, right? So February 28, I posted it here. Total Google Drive link, folder link for all my sessions. Okay.
Yeah,
You
you
can
have shared that Axis. I have opened it and I saw some
Yeah,
one
you are
video
able to saw
introduction.
that, right? So go
Yes.
with that. Okay. So what you do is you start from day 1 and go till day 10. Okay. That will be for now, that will be good for next week. That is 4th to 8th. If you want to understand, you just need to these are very basic topics you can easily understand. So 1 to 10 you try to cover first. Okay. Once that is done, don't stop. You will be parallelly attending my sessions. So the plan here is before Monday, I'm giving you a task where you complete 1 to 10. Okay. Finish that up. Okay. And then Monday, you'll be able to understand all the topics till 8. Not a problem. But while from Monday onwards, what you have to do is you have to go with the day 11 onwards. Okay. Day 11 onwards, you have to watch. Any doubts at the end of the session, I'll be there to clear your doubts. In any topic you didn't understand, you can ask me. You can make a note and ask me every day at the end of the session. Okay. That's the
Okay,
plan.
sir.
So the plan here is that these topics will be repeated for you, but it will take some time. So instead of wasting that time and waiting for the next batch to start and all, that you can attend directly, okay, without paying anything and all. There are no charges and all. You can continue with the next batch also. But thing is that let's not waste the time. You just since you have the time, you just try to complete them. Okay.
Okay, sure, sir. Thank you.
Sure, that will help you out and to sync with the batch. Next thing is that I'm going to give you the second part. 1 to 10 is completed means you go with the 11th one onwards where Java has started here. Okay. Java has started here since you said you are completely new to Java, right? So in next 2 weeks, that is before 11th, I want you to complete as many sessions as possible and parallelly try to learn it. Okay. That's the
Okay.
plan for you. Okay. And parallelly attend my sessions and sync with the batch. That's the plan I
Okay, sure,
generally
sir.
give. And these sessions will be repeated again in the next module. Once the next module starts, it will be there. And also along with that, you have to attend tomorrow session, Saturday, Sunday, where we are going to randomly pick some websites, take some challenges and automate them. Apart from that, we are also automating live applications. Okay. That has not started yet. That is going to start. Okay. End-to-end application, we are going to planning to automate.
Okay.
Okay. So before all those stuff happens, be ready for the stuff. Okay. Things. And
Yes.
again, Saturday, Sunday, since you are also new to manual testing at 11 a.m., we have this manual testing starting tomorrow onwards. Okay. That's from first session is starting. So also attend that at 11 a.m. also. Okay. Tomorrow, 7 a.m. is one thing. 11 a.m. is another thing. Okay.
Okay.
So just attend for a few days. It will be clear for you. And meanwhile, you watch these recordings. Okay. And get try to sync with the batch. So are you good,
Sure.
Jashwant, with the plan?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And yeah, coming to Ravi. Ravi, can you speak now? Is it possible to speak? I think Ravi is unable to. We cannot hear Ravi. But Ravi, is the plan clear for you? Okay, you can go with the plan, Ravi, whatever the situation you are. Okay. So I'll talk to other people because I'm not able to hear your voice here. Okay. So the other people, the next one I would like to talk is Ravi is over, Jashwant is over, Kalyani.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, like can you let me know like with what intention you joined this training?
I'm interested in testing, but I'm not from technical field. I don't have any prior experience in technical background.
Okay.
So I mean, I don't even know the manual, sir. So this is the
Okay.
first time.
So tomorrow manually starting at 11 a.m. You start with that. Okay. And
Okay.
to sync with the batch, you have to parallelly go from day one onwards. Okay. I told you, right? The same plan, whatever I gave for just one, right? To go with that.
Okay.
Once the Selenium Java module will be repeated again, right? You can attend that again. But why to waste time? You just go with the recording so that even Selenium Java also will be good for you. Okay. Try
Okay,
to
sir.
attend
And
all the
one,
sessions, whether you understand or not, try to attend them and try to cover up the previous sessions. Okay. Until the new modules.
okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
You
And
have
are there any videos on manual too?
Yeah, manual. You want videos from a YouTube channel?
No, sir.
No, at this moment there's no manual videos, but we have a brainstorming session conducted just before
Okay.
because we have not started anything. So we were actually discussing about what you know what it will be good if what topics will be good for our training to continue like real time and all those stuff. If you want to watch that brainstorming thing, before attending tomorrow's session. This is for everyone. So tomorrow anyhow 11 a.m. we are starting manual testing thing. So just go through this manual testing, okay? Video. That will give you a high level idea what exactly it's all about, okay?
Okay. This file is already there in the thing that you shared yesterday,
Um,
manual.
yeah, yes, everything is there. If you are added to this group, right, Telegram group, right, you just go to February 28. Here there is a post I posted to total
Okay.
Google Drive folder link. Okay, just open from here if
Okay.
you already have the access. Okay, you have the access, so you can open it up. Okay,
Okay, sir. And one
just
more
watch that
thing.
video and yeah.
Yeah, sorry, sir. Sorry to
No,
interrupt.
no problem. Continue. Please ask.
Yeah, actually, I'm from US, sir. So 11 a.m. 11 a.m. IST will be midnight for us.
Hmm.
So are there any other timings like Indian evening timings for manual?
No, at this moment, no, but we'll be repeating these modules. Maybe you can go to the recordings for now, okay, and attend whatever
Okay.
sessions possible in mornings. In morning also, we'll try to, conduct the manual things in the coming days, okay. But for now, it is in
Oh,
this that can be considered as a new batch actually, okay. The afternoon batch we are starting. So if you want to go through the videos, you can go through that, or you can wait for the next batch in the morning hours, okay.
okay, sir. And Zoom link will be the same for both?
Yeah, everything for all the modules, three modules are there, right? Currently, the Zoom link will be same.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So next, Punita.
Hi, sir.
Yeah. Can I know your intentions of joining this batch?
Yeah, I have experience with manual testing, so and interested to learn automation. And
Hmm.
I have gone through your all videos in YouTube channel, completed HTML, Java.
Hmm. Okay.
So yeah, currently
Today's session, were you able to understand handling
yes,
windows?
yeah, I can understand
Then means
little
you are
bit.
already good. But what I suggest you, Pinita, is like whether you have know the knowledge or doesn't have the knowledge doesn't matter. You start with day one and watch them in
Okay,
2x speed, not like other people watching at 1 speed or 1.5. You have to watch them in 2x speed because you already have the knowledge. Okay. And any
yeah,
doubt, any questions, you can ask me at the end of the session. And
uh,
still, even though you know manual testing, I recommend you to attend tomorrow's session also. Okay, manual part, because the way I'm going to take the manual is completely different from the people teach in the outside. It's more of discussion oriented and career oriented. And if you can watch this brainstorming session, right, you will understand, we'll get a feel of why you have to attend manual thing also. Okay.
okay, sure.
So try to attend all my modules, Punta. So
Yes,
that way, right, we as a community, right, we can help each other. And so a lot of new things also we'll learn. Okay, because there are other people who are participating here from different domains, different projects and all. So we are trying to discuss a lot of stuff there. So it's more of a training plus discussion kind of thing. Okay. So I request you to join because you already have some knowledge. Okay. In manual
yeah,
testing. Okay. Fine.
yes. Thank you, thank you.
Yeah. Fine. Great. And coming to Shashank. Shashank. I am not able to hear you, Shashank, similar to Ravi. Shashank, are you clear with the plan? Any doubts, any questions? If not, you can type in the chat if you're unable. I'm not able to hear your voice actually, but if you want to tell me anything, you can type in the chat box because I'm not able to hear you. Okay, are you new or new to anything like manual or something? You can type in the chat box. New to testing completely. Okay, so tomorrow, 11 a.m. you are attending, right, Shashank? In that case. Yes, great, great. Okay. But also attend the morning modules also, whether whatever the state that is. I gave you the plan, right? That plan will work out. And coming to Ravi, the same thing, right? Ravi, you can also type in the chat box your current situation, whether you are new to testing or whatever it is. Ravi, you can type in the chat box. You have knowledge in manual, okay? But still, I recommend you to attend tomorrow's session because our sessions will be different. Okay. So more of discussion oriented we'll have, and we'll be sharing our knowledge with each other. Okay. They are not just training sessions, they are knowledge sharing sessions also. So Ravi, just attend tomorrow's session. Okay. I found much more info regarding manual. Okay. From the webinar. Okay. Great. Fine. Okay. Good. And what about, okay. Fine. Great. Great. So what about automation, Ravi? Have any knowledge of automation? What about automation side, Ravi? No automation knowledge. So Ravi, that is the plan. So start. You have time, right? So before 11th, keep this. Everyone keep this 11th date as a target date. Before that, you have to complete all my videos. Okay. Don't no need to do any assignments, guys. Just watch the all the videos and sync with the batch. Later, once you are syncing with the batch, right? You can do the assignments one by one from the previous days. Okay. So that's the plan for everyone. Okay. So fine. Any other questions? Any other doubts? Nigora, you there? You're asking me a question here. Is it possible to schedule one-to-one session regarding backend testing automation? At this point, no, Nigora. Like we'll have to cover it, during the sessions only.
Okay.
Database. You are asking about database automation.
Yes, database
Database testing
automation.
automation, right? Okay, there is one video that you can watch. Mm, I'll share you the link. Okay, you can watch that. Whatever I have that knowledge of that database thing, right? So why you want to learn that? Can I know?
Because I did backend testing manually.
Okay, you're
but
doing
I-
backend testing manually.
Yeah, but I need the automation knowledge also, how to do that.
Okay, I'll tell you the way. So I'll give you one video. Just watch that, and still, if it is not clear for you, just let me know tomorrow. Okay,
Okay,
I'll
thank
give
you.
you one video. So just be there. Just give me a second. I'll give you that video.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, this one, this video. Okay.
The base testing using Selenium automation. Okay.
This video, database testing using Selenium automation, includes database concepts and SQL. Okay. I'll just paste that in the chat box here. You can take it from there. Okay.
Okay.
I
Thank
posted
you.
in the, yeah, welcome. Just complete that and see if you're able to. Okay. If not, let me know. We'll think about other stuff. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. And any other doubts we have? I think we are good. So any other doubts you can ask me, guys. So every day what I do is in this group, okay, for the new joiners, right? In this group, I'll share all the stuff, okay? Whatever the notes I have covered and all, okay? So today I covered these notes, today's notes one, I'll say. Whatever the notes I have used for explaining the stuff, right, on that particular day, that will be there. Today's notes one. And apart from this, I also have used these notes, XPath and CSS related notes. Today's notes too. Daily I'll do this, okay? So the next thing is that whatever the code I have demonstrated on that particular day, I'll share, okay? After the notes, I'll share the code. So what I do is, for example, in this handling multiple windows, there are some files that I uploaded today. And so here I'll say, just give me a second. Just copy this files. Okay, once I copy these files, I'll just do one thing. Just give me a second. Let's go there here. Just go to this box, local repos, Selenium batch 1, control V. Replace. Right click. Show more options. Open. Simply say git status. Git add dot. Again git status. Git commit. These comments you don't have to worry. I'm going to cover in the upcoming sessions. I'm doing this to upload the code and share the code with you guys. Okay. So handling multiple windows, last part. Today was the last part of that session. Then git push origin main. Done. The code will be uploaded to the cloud, and from there I'll share you all the code. Okay. So just go here and just here I'll simply say GitHub, and I'll go to this this one where I uploaded the code just now under SRC, under this handling multiple windows package. You see now, whatever the nows are there. Okay. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 4 things, right? There is 6, 6. I'll just share all this code generally. Okay. Here I'll simply say today's code 1. Then commit to the 7. Today's code 2. Then 8. Today's code 3. Then 9. That is today's code 4. Okay, 4 done. 4 things are done. And what is the next one? I think that's it, right? That's it. I think 1 minute. Yeah, we are done with the code thing. And then I generally give the assignments. Okay. So assignments for today. Assignment 1. Okay. Open multiple windows. Switch to the last window and use driver.close. Okay. Assignment 2. Open multiple windows. Switch to middle window and use driver.quit. Okay. Then assignment 3. Any other assignments I can give here? Yeah. Open new window and new tab using new commands. That's new window, new command. That is new window command, right? That is new window command. The new command, that is new window, and open different applications in different tabs and windows. Okay. These assignments are very simple, guys. If you have understood today's session, you can do it basically. Okay. So and assignment 4. Write Selenium code to produce, that is or get no such window except. Okay, this is the thing. These are the assignments, and after this I'm done with the assignments. The next thing is I'll upload the recording in 1 or 2 hours after this session. Okay, so maybe in next 1, 2 or 3 hours the recording for today's session will be uploaded here. Fine, everyone clear? So Ravi, if you are not, I'm not forcing you new guys to do the assignments. Okay, so, better you watch the previous videos. Okay, you focus. Okay, I'm just saying all the existing people will do the assignments. It's not compulsory that you have to do assignments or submit to anyone. It's self-paced assignments. So instead, I gave you the plan, right? You stick to that plan. Don't worry about the assignments until that plan is completed. By 11, till 11, don't do any assignments, okay? Try to complete all the videos. Yes. Before Monday, you need to cover day 1 to day 10, not only day 1 to day 10, from 11 onwards. If day 1 to day 10 are completed, go with 11 onwards and try to complete as much as possible, okay? Shashank, you got it right? Try to cover as much as possible. So if you have some knowledge, watch at 2x speed. If you don't have the knowledge, watch at 1.5x speed. That will be fine, okay? Just have a high level, a roundup of the sessions, okay? And this will be repeated for you in the repeated modules again, okay? Till then, instead of wasting time, just go through the videos, recorded videos for now. So everyone clear with the plan? If it is clear, the new joiners, if it is clear, just type C in the chat box. Then I can confirm that. Okay, Ravi is clear, Jashwant is clear, Shashank is clear. Whatever other 2 people are there in the group. Punita and who's the other one? Kalyani, I think Kalyani left, I guess. Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem, Punita. Fine. Okay. So that's all for today, guys. See you tomorrow morning, 7 a.m., where we are going to randomly automate challenging applications scenarios. Attend that, you will get some knowledge. Okay, no matter whether you have that, just try to attend and try to understand. Okay, that way of learning is also good. So 7 a.m. we'll meet, guys. Okay, bye everyone. See you. Bye everyone. See you tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. Yeah, welcome, guys. See you tomorrow at 7 a.m. Bye, guys. Yeah.